afternoon, students. We will start environmental physiology 9th chapter. First topic we will discuss body temperature regulation, and second topic exposure to low and high atmospheric pressure. Our body temperature, normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, and it controlled by the hypothalamus. When our body temperature increases or decreases, hypothalamus do its work. First, if body temperature rises above normal, means it's summer season, body temperature rises, and at that time our nervous system sends signals to the dermal blood vessels to dilate and sweat gland to secrete. Why this happen? Because to lower body temperature, it is increases due to summer season. And then when body heat is lost to its surrounding because to loss of heat, and then body temperature drops towards normal. This is the way when body temperature rises above normal. First, what happen in summer season? Body temperature rises, then nervous system sends signal to the dermal blood vessels. Dermal blood vessels means vessels which present in the skin, called a dermal blood vessel, to dilate and sweat gland to secrete. Then body heat is lost to its surrounding, means body heat increases and it lost into surrounding. Then body temperature drops towards normal. It is all about the when body temperature rises above normal. Then in winter season, what happen? Body temperature drops below normal. What happen in that case? Nervous system sends signals to dermal blood vessels to constrict and sweat gland remain inactive. In winter season, sweat gland is inactive because to conserve heat in the body, and due to this body heat is conserved and body temperature rises to towards the normal level. This happen only in low temperature and obviously in the winter season. And in some patients, if body temperature continues to drop, nervous system sends signal to constrict involuntary muscle, and it muscle activity generate body heat, and due to constriction of the muscle, body generate heat. And this is all about the body temperature regulation. Then got it? Normal body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade, means 98.6 Fahrenheit. It controlled by the hypothalamus. This all process controlled by the brain, and in brain hypothalamus is the part which control this body temperature regulation. This is about the environmental physiology. First topic, body temperature regulation. Then second topic, exposure to low and high atmospheric pressure. Means exposure to low atmospheric pressure means when we go in mountain, then atmospheric pressure is low, and due to this what happen? Due to exposure to low pressure, we cannot get air and oxygen is less. In that case, when we go high in the mountain region, in high atmospheric pressure, when we go into the sea, their atmospheric pressure is very high and oxygen level also is high. So because of this, collapse of lung can occur. Exposure to, first we will see exposure to low pressure, what happen to the body. First, exposure to the low pressure, first symptom is the hypoxia, collapse of the lung, and we cannot breathe properly, oxygen is low. In that case, skin become dry, and in high atmospheric pressure, what happened due to high atmospheric pressure? High atmospheric pressure at sea level, there is a high oxygen level, and due to this also lung collapse is occur, alveolar collapse is occur, and there is lot of skin changes can occur. This is exposure to low and high atmospheric pressure, means barometric pressure. This happen only there is extreme change in the barometric pressure. This is a small topic we discussed today. Environmental physiology, first topic, body temperature regulation, second, exposure to low and high atmospheric pressure. I will send notes in the PDF format. Please see it, and if any query, please reply me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.